everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another headband wig review. Now, it has been a little while since I've done a headband wig review, and it has been a while since I've uploaded a video. I will be doing like a channel update very soon, or a life update, so you guys can know what's been going on with me. But yeah, before I get started, sorry about any noise that you might hear in the background. I am washing clothes and my fan is on and all that stuff, so I do apologize if you do hear it. But again, this is another headband wig review. And of course, I got this headband off of Amazon from a company by the name of Luvu, I believe. They reached out to me and asked me to review this wig. So they sent me a 14-inch straight headband wig. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the video. If you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I show you the construction of the wig and the cap and all that stuff. Then I let you guys know a little bit more details about the wig, and then I let you guys know how I feel about the wig. So let's go ahead and jump into the video.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is. And I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself...
So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 4 combs. It has 2 in the front. Well, really has 3 in the front. There's 2 right here and 1 in the center. Then it has 1 in the back. Of course, it had the, you know, the black strap where you can put the headband on top. You don't have to wear a headband, but if you do, that's where you put the headband at. No adjustable strap or any of that. So as you guys can see, they did send me this headband. Super cute. I really do like this headband. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into a little bit more details about this wig. So of course, make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details about this wig. I will leave the link down below in case you guys are interested. But again, this is from Luvu. This is their 14-inch headband wig. It is straight and it is human hair. It retails for $51 even, and of course on Amazon they do have like a coupon where you save an extra $3. Now they do have a couple more inches on here in case you want it. They have 16-inch, 18-inch, 20-inch, and 22-inch. It shows 24-inch and 26-inch, but I don't know if they're out or it's not available for the headband wig. So this is a natural color. The density is 130. The cap size is a medium cap size, about 22.5 inches. So again, everyone should be familiar with headband wigs by now, but if you're not, the headband wigs are super duper beginner friendly. So if you are getting into wigs, I highly recommend that you start with a headband wig. Like I said previously, you don't have to wear a headband because they have the black strap. You can just, you know, put the headband wig on and call it a day. I have done that a couple of times where I just didn't wear a headband on it. it's still cute, whatever. But this is super cute, definitely beginner friendly, 14 inches, not too bad, human hair, affordable price on Amazon, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around. Here's how it looks in the front. Here's how it looks on the side. Here's how it looks in the back. And then the other side. So if you are not familiar, y'all know I love me some headband wigs. They've been super duper convenient, affordable, all that good stuff. So I don't have a lot of straight headband wigs, especially human hair. This is probably like the second straight human hair headband wig that I have, and it's shorter, or it might be the third, I don't know. So that is really cool. I didn't take the flat iron. Normally I would go over it with the flat iron, but you know, it's pretty, you know, it's straight. I didn't have to do too much, any of that, just put it on. So it is super cute. I do like it. Of course, there's no shedding. I did brush it out a little bit. I did not notice any shedding. But yeah, super easy to put on. Reasonable price, under $100, all that good stuff. So it is definitely super cute. So you guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the length. Of course it is straight, but if you do like straight hair, of course let me know, okay? Let me know down below. And this headband is actually the cutest thing. Like, this is my favorite thing out of the whole thing. As y'all saw, they sent me a wig cap and the headband is super cute, okay? Super cute. So I do want to thank Luvu for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it. I like it. So I hope to continue to work with them again in the future. That is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as the post notification bell, so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. And of course, y'all know my ride or dies, my OG subscribers. Thank you so much for rocking with me, okay? I say this in every video recently that I'm really trying to get back on schedule, but like I said, I will be doing like a life update video for you guys. I haven't done one in a while, and this is like the perfect time that I need to do one, because I'm highly considering taking a small break from YouTube, like making the decision to do that, okay? So I want to give you guys some details about what's been going on with me and all that stuff. But yeah, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.